Good morning, YouTube friends. I'd like to check my weekly recap. So, from December 4 to December 10, I was able to upload one video, two shorts, and 19 live streams. And then I've got 1.5 views, so that means around more than 1,000 people randomly, probably, and some subscribers, return subscribers, have tuned in the live stream, and new 81 subscribers. Got 81 new subscribers. And it's an amazing experience for me in the last week. So they found the channel through Shorts feed, vertical live feed, and YouTube home. And this is the most viewed live stream I had, where sickle sharpening, banana trimming, I got around more than 100 views. Thank you for the shares, and I'd like to thank you all for all the contribution you have done to helping this community keep growing with numbers. And I hope that we can achieve more within this week beyond these numbers. Thank you once again. Every contribution you have done to this channel is very much appreciated.